In this video, I will show you use of F1 key on your keyboard. So use of F1 key to get the help on your keyboard. If you are any program, so you can use just press F1. So it will take the time and it will show you help options, and in some laptop keyboards, press function key and F1 key together. We are Microsoft Edge, and once we press, this help page will open. Similarly, if you are in Excel or Chrome browser, just press F1. So help page will open. That's it. So this is the way guys you can use F1 key on your keyboard. Thanks for watching.